Recall that conductors are a material that allows electrons to move freely from one atom to another. The movement of electrons creates what we know as electricity. Electrons can freely move in a conductor since the conductor has a very low resistance. Recall that resistance measures a material's opposition to current flow. Some common types of metal conductors are copper, aluminium, gold, and silver. For wiring, we only use copper and silver. The most common conductor is copper. Almost all wires use copper as a conductor. Copper is good for wiring since it is cheap to make. Another common conductor is silver. Silver is not used in wiring since it is much more expensive than copper. You may find silver in small spots on relays or contactors.